Hello Linguistics. In this video I'll show you how to calculate the area of the triangle and how to get the missing dimension of you given the area of the triangle and one of its base or height. So let's go. First, if we have a rectangle and its width has 5 yards and its length 12 yards, so its area will be 12 times 5 will be 60 yards square. And if I ordered you to calculate the area of the yellow triangle, this area, simply you can get that the area of the yellow triangle is half the area of the rectangle, which is 60. Half times 60 equal 30 yards square. What if we have any triangle inside the rectangle? Like in this case, we have a point F. We don't connect point A and C, the diagonal. We connect the point. We made any point F on AD and want to try to calculate the area of the L triangle. First, the area of the L triangle divided into two triangles, triangle A1 and triangle A2. The area of the triangle A1 is half the area of the rectangle FECD. Half times the area of the rectangle FECD is equal 8 times 5, which is 20 yards square. The area of the triangle FEB A2, this area, is also half the area of the rectangle ABEF, which is half times 4 times 5, which is 1 yard square. The area of the right triangle A1 plus A2 equal 20 plus 10 equal 30 yards square. So again, the area of the yellow square is 30 yards square, and the area of the rectangle is 12 times 5 equal 30 equal 60. By comparing the area of the yellow triangle and the area of the rectangle, we see that the area of the yellow triangle again is half the area of the rectangle ABCD. So in general, the area of any triangle half times base times height. This side according to the rectangle is called width, but according to the triangle is called height. And this length according to rectangle is called length, but according to the yellow triangle is called base. Okay? Let's try some examples. The area of triangle OBM is equal half times 10 times 6.4, which is half times 5 times 10 equal 5. 5 times 6.4, we get 32 centimeters square. Calculate this area, pause the video and check. The area of the triangle NOP, half the base is 20, the base is 12 times the height is 10, which is 6 times 10, which is 6 inch square. Please don't forget that the area of any triangle equal half. Don't forget half. Another one. We don't need to calculate. We need to calculate the area of the triangle X, Y, Z. So the base is 16. The height is 12. The law of the area of the triangle equal half times base times the height equal half times 16 times 11 equal 96 inch square. Now, what if we have the area of the triangle and we given one dimension, let's say the base, and we need to know the length of the height? Simply substitute in the relation the area of the triangle x, y, z equal half times base times height, half times 8 times height, and the area is 24. Half of 8 equal 4. 4 times height. You have 4 times height equal 24. So to get h, you divide 24 over 4. You get h equal 6 centimeter. By relation, we calculate the height or the base by dividing the double of the area divided the base. Calculate double of the area, double 2 times the area is 24 over the base is 8, 48 over 8, which is 6 centimeter. The same answer. So to get the base or the height of the triangle, we calculated from doubling the area dividing the other known one. If we need to calculate the base, divided the height. If we need to calculate the height, divide the base. So the difference now between the parallelogram and the triangle, that base or height equal area divided the height. Comparing this relation to this relation, you will find that in calculating the base of the triangle, we double the area. We have 2a here and only one have 1a here. Try another one. The area of the triangle HIJ is equal to 24 centimeters square and the height is 4.8 centimeters. By substituting area equal 24 and half times 4.8 is 24 times base, then base equal 24 divided 2.4, which is 10 centimeters. If you want to substitute in the directly in the relation, which is 2a divided the height, you will get 2 times 24, which is 48, divided 4.8, which is 10 centimeters. Now try to find the solution of this problem. Make your calculations, pause the video and replay it, check your answer. Okay? The first, the area of the triangle KLM, this triangle. We need first the base. We don't know the base. We know the height, which is 6. If we move this line inside the triangle, we get the same length, which is 6 centimeters. Okay, so what is this length? LM. You know from the givens that the whole this side length is 9 centimeters. And this part is 2.5. This part 2.5. Then the remaining part will be 9 minus 2.5 plus 2.5. ML equal 9 minus 2.5 plus 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5 equal 5. 9 minus 5 was 4 centimeters. So the area of the triangle KLM equal half times 4. We get the base now, which is 4, times height, which is 6. You will get 12 centimeters square. The second question, I want to calculate h. I have the area, I have the base, I want to calculate the h. If you don't know that h equal to area divided base, simply substitute in the ordinary relation, which is area equal half times base times height. Area is 3.5 equal half times base 6.75 times height. Then you can convert it to a fraction. 13 and a half times 6 0.75 equal 3 quarters times the height. 3 and a half equal 27 over 2 equal half times 27 over 4 times the height. If you have 5x equal 10, you can factorize 10 as 2 times 5, then 2x equal 2 times 5, then 2 cancel 2, then x equal 5. The same, if you have 27 and 27 cancel each other, so you have half equal half times quarter times h, half cancel half, then 1 equal h over 4, h equal 4 centimeter, 4 equal h equal 4 inches. Okay, that's it for calculating the missing dimensions for the triangle. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.